Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice logarithmic problem. So here we have a log of 9 with base x plus 1 equals to 2, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here in this question we solve this problem by using the definition of logarithm. So here first I will just a little bit explain about the definition of logarithm. You know that in the definition of logarithm, here we just write the definition of logarithm as it is stated as y is equals to log of base b, and x is equals to this is if and only if equals to b to the power of y and equals to x. Okay, so this is the definition of log, and here I can recall that if you have y equals to log of x with base b, so this is if and only if this value implies that if and only if b to the power of y equals to x. Okay, it means that if you can take this value, then we easily convert this into this form. So if you have this type of values, then we can easily change this type of values in the logarithmic form. Okay, so here you see that in order to interchange this value, you just see here we move this y in x, and we move this x in the place of y. Okay, we just interchange these two values, then you easily get this value. And here we have some conditions on x, y, and b. So here we know that x, y, and b, these three values are some real numbers, or these three values are denoted by some real numbers. And as well as we have some conditions, some other conditions on x, y, and b. So we have our x and b, these two numbers are greater than 0, and our b is not equals to 1. So we have, this is the basic definition of logarithm. So now here we need to apply this definition of log, and we can find the value of x in this problem. So now here I can just copy down the given question statement here, and you see that we have log of base x plus 1 and 9 equals to 2. So here according to this definition of log, here we need to move this 9 in the place of this 2, and we move this 2 in the place of this 9. Okay, so that here you see, and you just eliminate this log. When you interchange these two values, then you eliminate this log here. So we write it as, so in the left hand side we have x plus 1, we just get the base only, and we move this 2 in the place of 9, and we write it as x plus 1 square equals to, we move this 9 to the right hand side, and it will be equals to 9. Okay, so now you see here this will becomes the quadratic equation, and now we easily solve this equation. So you see that in the right hand side we have a 9. So here we write this 9 as 3 square, and in the left hand side we have x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so here we need to take the square root on both of the sides. So when you take a square root, then you will write it in this form, and you see here these 2 and square root are cancelled by each other, and we get in the left hand side is x plus 1. Similarly, this 2 and this square root are again cancelled by each other, and we get here 3. So you see that because here we take this square root on both of the sides, so that here we write the plus minus sign. And now we divide this into the two cases, so that our first case is to take x plus 1 equals to 3, and the second case is we write the negative value, it is x plus 1 equals to minus 3. So here you easily get the value of x equals to 3 minus 1, because this is plus 1. When we move in the right hand side, it will becomes minus 1. So we get the value of x equals to 3 minus 1 becomes here 2. So this is the first value of x in this problem. Similarly, here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side and it will be written as x equals to minus 3 minus 1. So you get the value of x is equals to minus 4. So we have these two values of x. So now here we move to the given equation. So we write it here, x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 4. These are the two solutions of the given equation. So here when you substitute the value of x equals to minus 4 here, it will be written, it will becomes minus 3. But in the definition of log, we clearly say that these two values must be positive. Okay, here you can see here our x and b must be an positive value. So when you substitute x equals to minus 4 here, it will becomes negative. So it means that x equals to minus 4 is not the solution of this equation. But if you put 2 equal here, so 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So x equals to 2 be the only solution of the given equation, and we reject x equals to minus 4. Okay, so x equals to 2 be the only solution. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.